Right now, smoke from wildfires in Canada is making the air quality here dangerous. The Indianapolis Office of Sustainability issuing a no-zone action day for tomorrow. Now that means people should avoid being outside as much as possible. Rachel Kraus joins us now in the newsroom. And Rachel, people are already changing their habits?
Yeah, Felicia, around town today, people were still out enjoying the warm summer day, but many are limiting that time spent outdoors to try and avoid any potential health impacts from these poor air quality levels. Across Indianapolis, a haze fills the air. The sun struggling all day to break through smoky skies sweeping into central Indiana.
Very, very hazy. Like even just looking out with the trees, you see it's not clear.
Jasmine Tracy leads her weekly cardio core class. Most of the class is indoors, but not all of it.
I was kind of worried about because usually, like I said, we start out with a run, so how that would impact others that maybe don't work out as much outside. So just being cautious of that and making sure that people have their water, taking their breaks when needed.
Even after 2 laps, joggers feeling the poor air quality take a toll on their breathing. Across town at the Benjamin Harrison YMCA, the smoky skies are keeping kids indoors. Time spent outside limited to just 30 to 45 minutes.
We want to make sure that kids are still getting the camp experience, but we're able to move our STEM, our arts and crafts, and some group games inside.
Youth and Family Director Drew Kelly says normally kids spend all day outside. But with air quality so poor, safety has to come first.
We have kids with asthma, and when they have asthma, we keep inhalers. We are authorized to help them with those inhalers and things like that, but we keep them with their counselor right there so that it is always there. And we've had to really pay attention to that with these air quality days.
Gabe Filippelli with the Indiana University Environmental Resilience Institute says air quality levels are normally between 0 and 50. Indianapolis now topping 200. Hitting dangerous levels.
If you're perfectly healthy, you might decide, oh, I'm going to go for a run. You will not run nearly as well as normal. You'll feel it. I feel it. I've got a little bit of a headache today, and the headache is often because of problems with the particulate matter.
Until skies clear, Filippelli says people should limit time outdoors and keep the AC on and the windows up inside to keep this unhealthy air out.
This particulate matter irritates mainly our airways, and it can be absorbed deep down into our lungs, causing pretty significant health damage.
And experts say it's not just those with breathing issues or health challenges, but everyone could feel the impacts of this poor air quality. It can cause scratchy throats, cough, trigger asthma attacks. And with these hazy skies expected to last into tomorrow, limiting time outside is key. Felicia?